Hey creators, welcome back to the STEAM Academy. My name is Isabel and today we're going to be showing you an awesome free online program for creating custom laser cut boxes. Open up your web browser and go to en.makercase.com. There are 4 different box style options that you can choose from on the homepage. For today, we're just going to choose the simple boxes option to get you started. But we encourage you to go back and explore the other options when you get time. Go ahead and click on the Simple Boxes option. Here, you will get lots of different choices on how you'd like to design your box. You can choose what measurement you'd like to use, inches or millimeters. Next, make adjustments to the width, height, and depth that you'd like for your box. Choose if you'd like those dimensions to be on the inside or outside of your box. Choose the material thickness that you will be using. Choose if you want it to be an open or closed box. Choose what type of edge joints you would like, lat, finger, or T-slot. Here we typically use the finger edge joints for most projects. You will then have an option to choose the size of the finger joints. We generally drag the dot to somewhere in the middle, but once again, it depends on the project. Once you're happy with all of your settings, click the green Download Box Plans button. You'll then have a few more settings options here, but we generally just leave those as they are. If needed, adjust accordingly. You can remove the panel labels here if you don't want them engraved on your box, but you will have another opportunity to ignore those labels when you're adjusting your laser cutter settings on the Glowforge website. Once you're happy with these settings, click the green button that says Download SVG. You can now open up your Glowforge account. Click Create a New Design, then Upload File, and then find your SVG file. You can now adjust your settings according to what material you are working with. This is also where you can choose to have your panel labels engraved, or you can choose to ignore them. We always recommend doing a test print with cardboard to make sure it turns out the way you desire before you use your nicer material. Just make sure to adjust your settings accordingly. Once all of your settings are where you want them and your material is in your laser cutter, press print and watch the magic happen. But don't stare directly at the laser. There are so many different amazing projects that you can do with MakerCase, so have fun with experimenting. We have made LED light boxes, ukuleles, drums, game consoles, and treasure chests, just to name a few. A lot of those projects require bringing the original MakerCase SVG design into another program, such as Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw, Tinkercad, or any other design software to manipulate it to your liking. No matter what the project, MakerCase sets you up with a nice foundation. And that's it for this video. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. We love seeing what you come up with, so make sure to share your projects. See you next time, and as always, keep creating.